Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to scan documents on your iPhone using the Notes application. So what you can do is go ahead and navigate to the Notes application, which is this yellow and white notepad here. Select this. If you are here on the home page, on the bottom right hand corner of your screen is where you can open up a new note, which is what you need to do. Select the new note button. All right, here I am within my notes. I need to find the camera icon to scan a document. Once I select the camera icon, I can then select Scan Documents. Be sure that your document is on a flat surface with good lighting for best scanning properties. Then you need to hold your iPhone above the document and you'll notice a yellow box appearing. That's going to grab that scan and put it into a nice PDF file. Okay, so without any of the outside edges. It took a few scans of my document. I can find the scans that it took, or if you just had one scan. On the bottom left-hand screen, you'll notice I have 5 scans. So I can go through and find one that looks the best. These all look pretty similar. I could delete on the bottom right-hand corner any that don't look good. I just need one, so I'm going to just keep one here. This one's blurry. Okay, I have the one that I want. So I'm going to select Done on the top left corner. In the bottom corner, go ahead and select Save. Now you'll notice this is my scanned document. I can title this document by selecting Scanned Documents, and now I can title this Cat for Nana. Once I've renamed the document so it's easy to find, now the last step is to go ahead on the top right corner, select the share icon, and now I can decide to save this to the files. I can print it. I really need this to be saved to my files. That's the most common use for scanning the document. You can find the folder or drive you'd like to save it to, and then select Save Again on the top right corner, and now it's saved. Now, depending on where you saved it to, I saved mine to my iCloud drive, which would be found in the Files application on your iPhone. You saved it to Google Drive or OneDrive, it would be in that app. But if you don't know where to find your Files application, an easy way to do that is go ahead and use your finger from the right of your iPhone and swipe to the left all the way until you get to the App Library search, and then just go ahead and type in Files, and there is your Files application. I hope this video is helpful for you. I will catch you in the next one.